If the battery on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 does not want to charge all the way to 100% and it is stuck at 80, 85, 90 or 95%, then you need to go to settings. Then over here in settings, search for the battery option. And then here in battery, we should be able to find battery protection. If you have maximum battery protection enabled, then you will be most likely limited to 80%, 85%, 90 or 95%. So this is the reason why your phone doesn't want to charge to 100%. There is also the basic battery protection with the sleep time protection. And if you do use the sleep time protection, which actually we need to use the customization service in order to be able to use it, but still, if you decide to use it, then your battery can be charged to 80% while you are asleep. So you might want to turn this option off, but if you often charge your phone at night when you are asleep, then it is definitely recommended to have this option enabled. The basic battery protection also sets up a limit, but usually it allows the phone to charge all the way to 100%, and if it does charge to 100%, then at that point it stops charging, and when the battery drops to 95% and the charger is still connected, it resumes charging again to charge all the way to 100%. So you can probably switch from the maximum battery protection to the basic battery protection, and if you don't like either of them, then of course feel free to turn it off, but still I have to say that it is definitely recommended to use at least the basic battery protection. Leave a like and subscribe.